In the wild, survival is a constant test. What appears calm on the surface hides an ongoing struggle for dominance and survival. At certain moments, two powerful predators occupy the same territory. Both remain alert, reading subtle movements and faint sounds in their surroundings. Conflict is not a choice, it is a consequence. As the distance closes, body language changes. Muscles tighten, postures lower.
These are clear signals.
A final warning before confrontation. The clash is sudden and forceful. Strength, speed, and endurance are tested within seconds. Every movement is deliberate, aimed at weakening the opponent rather than displaying aggression. Such encounters are rarely prolonged. Energy is a precious resource in the wild. Even the smallest mistake can prove fatal. The two separate briefly, catching their breath, assessing injuries. Pain is visible, but instinct overrides hesitation. Retreat could mean the loss of territory, food, or life itself. Eventually, one begins to falter. Not from lack of courage, but from physical limits being reached. The other remains standing, cautious, ensuring the threat has passed.